to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and explain. Well, this will be the market recap for Thursday, August 17th. It is 1:18 a.m. Friday, August 18th, and I finally freed up some time to make this market recap. So let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and explain all these lines on here. Okay, so purple line is the price that we were at 9:20 or 9:30 from that time range. The light blue line, this line, light blue line, whitish bluish line above the purple line, that is entry for calls. The blue lines are price targets, and then the dark blue lines are exit targets, so that's where you should get out. And then below the purple line, I'll start with yellow. So yellow, this one, light yellow, yellowish whitish, that is entry for puts. Once you get confirmation, the yellow lines are profits, and then the orange lines are where you should get out. And then the red line is an early entry. Yes, I'll explain that. But that was a early entry in case, I got confirmation. There was no confirmation for me to enter early. The perfect entry was the whitish yellowish line. I just put the red line in case, but then I'll explain in a bit why I decided on the yellowish whitish line instead of the red line. And then the green line is how low SPY would go to before we had a bounce back up. Let's see. Okay, so the red line, if you look, entry for puts. So entry for puts, red line, no real confirmation. Okay, so from that candlestick, where the dotted line is on the vertical side, okay, from there all the way up, down to the right, that's what it was from Thursday, August 17th. Let's see, so the red line. I'll start from the very left. So right here, nothing happening. Right here, we had this isn't even a pullback, it's just candlestick closed down. We came up a tiny bit higher, like for a quick split second, and then we continued down to the downside. That's no, and what is it called? Indication of a pullback happening. Right here, nothing coming up, and a tiny pullback. After that, we just can continue to the upside. See right here, nothing at all. Nothing at all here. And then we're back to today. So nothing at all. If you look in the past, for entry for puts, let's start with this one right here. So right here, pullback. We're coming up, had a small neutral pullback. Right here, red candlestick, mostly wicks, right? So come up, we came up, had a neutral pullback, continued to the upside. Here, we're coming down to the downside. We closed, the next day we opened below. But here, could have been a pullback. So 1, 2. Here again, this day, we closed here at around 443. What is it? 443.14. The next day we opened all the way down here, and it was where entry was. Opened. We didn't go above what I have entry for calls right now. Next one, let's see. I think that's mainly all the ones. And then if you see here, confirmation. Boom, 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 boom. It's zoom a bit. Okay. So that's Wednesday. Okay, so Thursday. If you look at the red line, there's no indication of confirmation. Nothing at all. Let's see. I guess you could call it confirmation. Yeah, I guess you could call it confirmation before. Hold on. Okay, so for the red entry, remember the red entry is the riskier entry. For the red entry, we come down, we close below entry, close even lower, come to my original safe entry. As soon as we go there, we bounce back up. So, not a good entry at all. Most of the times, whenever entry gets confirmed, or once you get confirmation for entry, either side puts or calls, your position will usually go to the second or third price target, and then at least second or third. If you have more, it'll usually go even to those further out price targets. So we come here, have a bounce, come back down. Now, if we look at entry for puts, the correct one, the safer one, close below, right here, this candlestick, we close below entry for puts. Then we close above entry for puts, wait an hour and a half longer. Then this candlestick closes below entry for puts, enter on this trade, and just ride it all the way down for what was it? I think 150% gain, not 200% gain. So say you put 2K in, you win at least 2K in. You win at least 2K back. So in total, you will have at least 4K now. Yeah, you win 100%. I know I caught a 30%, and then I just let it ride out for a few more runners. And that's that. Let's see. Okay, and then you guys see the green line right here. Let me show. So that's where we could have a bounce. That's where we had a bounce right there. Let me show you guys more. Let's see. Because I did it live. Right here. Coming down. Could have a bounce there. We had a bounce back to the upside. Here, not too much. This green candlestick in wick, not too much, but came up back down. We did have a bounce. Alright, well that's everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to DM me, shoot me a message, whatever. I gotta do my chart now for today, later today when I wake up. We may break even lower to around the 331 area, 333 through 331, or if not for the end of this week, since it's Friday, maybe go up to 441. We'll see, or right here, 439. We'll see. I'll make it in my next video. See you.